very fun and kind of takes me back to the days of yore.
Yes.
This is from Fujifilm and it's the Instax Mini 12 instant print camera with accessories. So you can give the gift of enjoying the moment in the moment, because how much fun is it when you take a photo and it's not just on a phone, but it is it materializes.
Exactly. This is the Instax Mini 12, so one of the latest that Fujifilm has. This is a true camera. There's glass lenses inside, you're using actual film, and it's your camera and your printer all in one. So it's
so cool.
You pull this out and it truly is like, it's your green light, and just have fun with it. Like, there's no do-overs. In a world of digital photography, when there's always, let me take one more. Oh, I didn't like that one. Oh, I didn't like this.
Yeah.
There are no do-overs with this one. So when we say you're capturing a moment, you are truly capturing a moment in time that cannot be replaced.
Oh, I love that. And this is the thing, you know, we're the age of possibility where we remember going to the, you know, the pharmacy to get your photos developed.
Yes.
But also we remember Polaroids. And there is, as you say, there is a joy to the fact that there's no do-overs. This is it. But there is also a huge generation in between us that don't remember being able to have photos. So it's kind of like, you know, what goes around comes around. And so you're bringing something that a lot of people maybe have never seen in your family.
Oh, for sure. And when you put a film developing in front of someone that's never seen that before, it's really amazing. But what we love about the Instax 12 is that it takes all the guesswork out of how do I get a great picture. So previous models of Fujifilm, you would have to adjust the dial and you would have to set it outside, inside, bright light, dull light to get that perfect photo. This is all you do. It's off right now. You twist it. You've turned it on. That's it. When you see this light that's on and it's not blinking any longer, you're ready to take the picture, but it even gets a little bit better. So if you turn it one more time, this is your close-up now. Now, see that mirror? So Sam, we can go ahead and now kind of line up in there.
I'm just gonna warn you.
No, but what I love is that camera, that little mirror in the front, that means that we're in focus.
Yes.
So here's the best thing. It's a credit card size print that comes out. It is true film. So we used to like shake it, right?
Shake it like a Polaroid picture.
Exactly. But you don't have to do that. This is going to develop in about 90 seconds.
Wow.
So I love that, you know, this is always an option and you truly can't outgrow this camera. You know, I'd say anyone like, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 years old, all the way up to having one in every family.
Well,
so,
while we're waiting for that to develop, let me just show you what you are getting, because I think this is such a giftable idea. I also think, you know, if you're going to an event like a baby shower or maybe a gender reveal party, and you don't want to bring a bottle of wine, like I don't drink, it feels weird for me to show up with wine. Showing up with something like this, I mean, you're going to be the kind of, you know, you're creating your own moment within the party. So you're getting the camera, the batteries, you are also getting the film as well, and this cute little album. And then if you want to gift away the photos, you get these little frames too, as well as a carrying pouch. So it feels really, really, there's just so much to it, so many moving parts.
Oh, for sure. And I love that, you know, here we bundle it because we always make it a little special. So being able to kind of pop, you know, your camera right inside, it fits in there perfectly. You know, sling it closed.
Well, it's nice to protect your investment, and it's not like the old kind of, you know, the old leather, like creaky camera bags of yore.
It's
not
cute.
At all. It's fluffy. You can even throw some googly eyes on there if you wanted to.
But as you look at some of these pictures right now, I want you to notice the color.
Look at Mary Beth.
I know,
she
right?
looks amazing.
I want you to see the color. Like in every one of them, you have these beautiful, bright, vivid colors, and truly all you had to do was turn it on. So again, true film, and Fujifilm has been around since 1934. And, you know, they're award-winning due to their glass lenses. So, you know, capturing whether it's their film or their cameras, it's just kind of really, really fun. And this one is starting to develop. So you could see by our sweaters, like I have a really bright green sweater on and Sam's a really beautiful yellow. So as we watch, this is going to develop. But I think there is some film in here too, Sam, if you wanted to go ahead and try your very own selfie if you wanted to do that. So again, quick lesson. So it's off right now. You twist it one time and you turn it on, and you can see that lens popping out.
Yeah.
You twist it one more time for that close-up, and then you can either get really close to a subject, or you can turn the camera on yourself, and you can take that picture. But again, this is your camera and your printer all in one. You're guaranteeing that perfect shot, whether it's exposure, setting, lighting, we've got you covered, and then you're always going to be in center when you use that selfie mirror.
Yeah, I mean, it makes it so easy because obviously a certain generation would be appalled if they had to kind of figure out how to take a selfie without being able to see themselves.
Oh, for sure.
But this is, I mean, this creates a moment out of moments. You know, it could just be an ordinary family dinner and suddenly it becomes not only fun, but then you've got all of the photos to remember that night of fun.
Yes, and that's kind of the point behind it. So if you take a look at your camera roll on your phone, you have hundreds, if not thousands of pictures. Do we ever look at them, right? We have the best of intentions. We're like, yeah, we'll print it, we'll hang it, you know, and it never happens. So I love the idea, you know, there's tons of pictures out or picture frames out in retail. You can grab them as well. So this is one, I love this. This was one, I think it was my 50th birthday, so a couple years ago, but it's my daughter and I, and we've been capturing memories for years.
And it hasn't faded.
It hasn't, because it's true film.
Wow.
So that's what we love.
Okay, that is amazing.
Yeah.
8325802, that's your item number. This is a President's Weekend sale price of $79.95, which makes your easy pay $15.99, and it ships to you free. And if you're thinking about gifting, remember we do bill to, ship to. So you could send this whole package with the album, with those cute little frames and that carry case to somebody else. You get the bill and they get it sent to them. Sarah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I want one. It's been a while since I've had a Polaroid. Okay.